Today we're going to look at the ST Imaging all-digital film viewer and scanning system. The system is supplied in two cardboard boxes. The larger of the two contains the digital film viewer. The smaller contains the scanner and film carriage assembly. Starting with the larger box, we will first unpack the digital film viewer and accessories. After carefully removing the tape and folding the cardboard flaps back, locate and remove the manual and power cable package. Remove the protective cardboard covering from the system. At the same time, remove the small box of accessories to the side. Then remove the cardboard cover from the viewer. Carefully supporting the unit at the front and the back, remove the viewer from the cardboard box and place on a flat surface. You will notice that the camera arm is in the lower position for shipping. Carefully lift the camera arm until it clicks into the first position. Then, using the button at the back of the camera arm, release it and move the camera arm until it clicks into the top position. Again, using the release button, lower the camera arm until it locates into the middle position. This is the correct position for operation of this unit. At this time, remove any packaging from around the camera and rotate the camera until it is pointing directly down to the digital scanner. Next, we will unpack the second box, which contains the film scanner and film carriage assembly. After carefully removing the tape from the box and folding the cardboard flaps back, locate the package that contains the software, the USB cable and the manuals to one side. Next, locate the carriage assembly power supply adapter and the scanner power supply assembly to one side. Remove the protective cover from the assembly. Then carefully lift the carrier and scanner assembly out and place on a flat surface. Carefully lift the scanner and carriage assembly and place onto the digital film viewer base, ensuring that it locates in the slots provided for accurate alignment. Fix the carriage assembly to the digital film viewer with the two shoulder bolts. Using the Allen wrench provided, tighten them down until they are a snug fit. Now we will go ahead and install the cables. First we will connect the power cable to the viewer. Next the RGB out cable to the monitor. Now we're going to connect the VGA cable to the RGB 1 port, which eventually will go to the PC. Now we're going to connect the two power adapters. The 12 volt one will be connected to the scanner and the 15 volt one to the roll film carriage assembly. Finally, the USB cable to the scanner, which will also be connected to the PC later. The final two connections we will make onto the PC. Depending on the model of the PC, the locations of the USB and VGA sockets may be in different places. First, we will connect the USB cable from the scanner to a USB port on the PC. Do not use a USB hub for this connection. Lastly, we will connect the VGA cable to the VGA port on the back of the PC. This completes all cables and connections to the ST200 imaging system. Now the cable connections are complete, it is time to load the software onto the system PC. The first software application we will load is ScanRite. Locate the ScanRite CD and carefully note the registration number on the case, as you will need this during the install process. Place the CD into the CD drive on the PC and close the drawer. The software should automatically start the installation process. If after a short period of time this does not occur, then you will have to use the manual run function in Windows to start this process. In either case, you will be presented with prompts on screen which you should follow through to completion to install the software. Once the ScanRite software is installed and you intend to use the CD writing capability of ScanRite, you will need to install Nero Express CD software. To do this, place the CD into the CD drawer and close it, and the installation program should once again start automatically. Once the software installation is complete, we are now ready to turn on the system. First, we will switch the viewer on. The switch can be located at the rear right of the unit. Place it into the on position. The power switch for the scanner is located at the rear middle. Switch the scanner to the on position. You should note that the green light at the front right of the scanner illuminates. The roll film carriage assembly power switch is located on the right hand module and should be placed to the on position. Locate the lamp switch on the control panel on the digital viewer and push it to the on position, ensuring that the light illuminates. Now we need to perform a functional test of the system. First, place a roll of film on the left spindle, lift the lid and film holder. Pull the film along the open and easy to access film path to the take-up reel. Close the film holder and lid and you are ready to view the images on the PC monitor. The controls for viewing and browsing through images are one touch away. Push a button to make the image brighter or darker. Rotate the image, invert the negative images to positive images, push a button to digitally zoom in or out. There are no prisms or interchangeable lens assemblies to install or change. The motorized system allows you to go forward or reverse at slow or fast speeds. When you find an image you would like to capture, just push a button to switch to the scanning mode. Click on the welcome screen that appears to begin using the powerful scanning and printing features. Use the preview window to see what is about to be scanned. Use the brackets to define the area to be captured. No more black edges or prints with columns of text or pictures that you did not want to capture. After the page has been scanned, a thumbnail image appears and you are ready to capture the next page. When finished scanning, you are now able to use all of the simple and powerful options in the software to enhance the images and send them to the output format of your choice. Easy one-touch icon buttons intuitively guide users through each step of the software session. First scan, then edit. Our imaging editing system has been customized to easily and specifically enhance film images, taking out scratches, dust, dirt, and eliminating the dingy grey background found on most newspaper film images. Now your high-quality images are ready to send off to a CD, or a hard drive, or a USB storage device. You can also send images to any PC printer or attach them to email. This completes the installation and testing of the ST200 film imaging system.